Good morning, students. Welcome to new class. Today I am going to start exercise 2.5. So let us start exercise 2.5. Before starting the exercise 2.5, just have the look what we have done in the previous classes. In the previous classes, we have find the correct statement. We had find the x values. We had find the correct this present age of the equations. So how the equations, linear equations, can be solved in one problems? Yes or no? So let us see here. Also, we are doing something. So let us see the first question. The first question is, solve the following linear equations, that is x upon 2 minus 1 upon 5 equals to x upon 3 plus 1 upon 4. See, first what here today, first x को together and numbers को together लेना है. Okay, so let us see first numbers. यहाँ पे x क्या है, ये x है एंड ए एक्स है. तो ये x अगर ये x अपॉन 2 यहाँ पे शिफ्ट होगा, दिस साइड शिफ्ट होगा, तो इट विल बिकम माइनस. एंड इफ द नंबर 1 अपॉन 5 विल गो दैट साइड, इट विल बिकम पॉजिटिव. सो द इक्वेशन इज फॉर्म, दैट इज हाउ द इक्वेशन इज फॉर्म. दस x, इज इट राइट? यस और नो स्टूडेंट्स? सी हाउ इट इज फॉर्म. सी, ये आपको दिख रहा है आपको कैसे फॉर्म हो रहा है इक्वेशंस? यस और नो? सी, ये इक्वेशंस फॉर्म हो रहे हैं. क्या मेन हमारे इक्वेशंस ये है ना, वो क्या करना है, एक्स को एक साथ लेना है एंड 1/5 और नंबर्स को एक साथ लेना है. सो x/2 माइनस x/3 इक्वल्स टू 1/4 प्लस 1/5. नाउ आफ्टर दैट व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, वी हैव टू टेक द एलसीएम ऑफ 2, 3 एंड 4, 5. 2, 3 का एलसीएम होगा 6, 4, 5 का एलसीएम होगा 20. सो व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, see here 4 and 5, that is 20. how many numbers will be? यहाँ पे 4 डिवाइड होगा, इंटू 4 होगा, यहाँ पे 4 इंटू 5 होगा, यहाँ पे भी 5 होगा, यहाँ पे 2 3 होगा, यहाँ पे 3 2 होगा, तो मल्टीप्लाई यहाँ पे 2, यहाँ पे 3. सो व्हाट विल गेट द आंसर, दैट इज 3x up minus 2x upon 6 and 5 plus 4 upon 20. So 3x minus 2x equals to x होगा, 3x minus 2x होगा तो 6x आएगा, x upon 6 हो गया, 5 plus 4 is 9, तो 9 upon 20 हो गया. Now we can find out the values. See कैसे फाइंड आउट किया, ये वैल्यू हो गया. नाउ व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, ये 6 ऊपर जाएगा, यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई होगा 9 इंटू 6, तो 9 इंटू 6 हो गया, 9 इंटू 6 अपॉन 20. तो 6 कैसे कट किया students, 2 3s are 6, 2 10s are 20. okay, 9 3s are, this 9 3s are 27 and become 10. so answer is 27 upon 10. okay, now what is there, we have to check that the answer which is there, is it both are equal, means ye left hand side, okay, this left hand side, this one, this left hand side is equals to this right hand side. So what we have to do, we have to just put the values what we have got. We have got the value of x, that is 27 upon 10. We have to put the values here, so we are just putting this number 27 upon 10. so 10 के साथ ये 2 मल्टीप्लाई होगा, yes or no? 27 अपॉन 10 किया, देन माइनस 1/5 इक्वल्स टू x अपॉन 3 है, तो 27 अपॉन 10, x अपॉन 3, 10 के साथ ही 3 मल्टीप्लाई होगा. ओके, सो प्लस 1/4 हो गया, सेम थिंग. नाउ 27 अपॉन 10 इंटू 20, 10 इंटू 20 विल बी 10 into 2 is 20, then 1/5 will remain same. now 27 upon 10 into 3 is how much, that is 10 3s are 30. students, do the correction here. See here it is 27. okay, no need of correction here, we can just cutting down this number, 3 1s are 3, 3 9s are 27. so what will remain, 9 upon 10. yes, 9 upon 10 plus 1/4. now got the answer. now what we have to take, we have to take the LCM again. LCM of 20 and 5 is 20 and 10 and 4 is 20, both the LCMs of together is same, so we are just putting the LCM. so after putting the LCM, we'll get the answer 23 upon 20, and here also we are getting 23 upon 20. so we can say that left hand side is equals to right hand side. so this statement which is given the equation, that is correct statement. okay, have you understood, students? now see the second question. what is the second question is asked? second question is, just see, the question is asked, n upon 2 minus 3n upon 4 plus 5n equals to 5n upon 6 equals to 21. now see what is done. first you have to just copy the questions which is given in the equations. so after that what we have to do, first you have to take the LCM of 2 4 6. so 2 4 6 ka just take the LCM here, just make one LCM 2 4 6. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Yes, then 2 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 3 will remain, then 3 1s are 1s are 1s are. Yes, then 3 2 2s are 2 into 2 into 3, what will remain? 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So LCM is 12. Yes or no? We got the LCM. Now see, we have to apply this LCM, that is 12. So multiply this first number. Just see, n upon 2 is there here. This n upon 2, which number should be multiplied that it will become 12? That is 2 6 are 12. Here also we will multiply 2, so we'll got the answer. Sorry, 2 6 are 12. Here also we are multiplying 6, so it will become 6n. So it is right, 6n. Yes, so it is. Now go to second equation. Second equation is also there. 3n is there. Which number should be multiplied by the 4 that it will give 12? That is 3. So अपर भी हम लोग 3 मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 3 3 जा 9, तो 9 स्क्वायर हो गया, 9n हो गया. देन 5n एंड 6 है. So 6 से कौन सा नंबर मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे? 6 2 जा 12. Even here also 2, 5 2 जा 10. So 10n will be there. Okay, now this denominator will remains the same as 12. So we are just writing 6n minus 9n plus 10n equals to 21. Now what we have to do? We have to do here, so first plus को add करना है. Okay, now see, first this is plus and this is also plus. 10 plus 6 is 16. Yes or no? It is 16. n. Now what remain? 9. 9n remains. So 16 minus n is 7n. So got the answer, 7n upon 21. Now what we have to do? We have to just shift this 12 to this side. It means it will become multiply. It will multiply. Sorry, 7 1s are 7, 7 3s are 21. Now 3 plus 3 into 12 will be how much? That is n equals to 36. Now what we have to do? We have to put the values of this n, this one, put the values of this n in this equations. Okay, after putting this equations, you get the answer. Is it equal or not? We have to check that is it equal or not. Left hand side equals to right hand side है कि नहीं. Okay, so if it is left hand side is equals to right hand side, so we can say that the given linear equation is correct. Okay, have you understood, student? Question number 7 3 4 you can do. The questions are very very easy, students. See, question number 4 we can see. Just see, question number 4 may what you have to do. See, here the question is this is the question. Now what you have to do? We have to do the cross multiply like that. Okay, so ये 3 यहाँ पे चला जाएगा and this 5 will come यहाँ पे. Okay, तो इस तरीके से इक्वेशन फॉर्म होगा. that is 5 के साथ ये 5 के साथ ये मल्टीप्लाई होगा. दैट इज़ 5 इंटू एक्स माइनस 5 इक्वल्स टू ये 3 के साथ ये मल्टीप्लाई होगा 3 इंटू एक्स माइनस 3. येस और नो? सी हियर इट इज़ देयर और नॉट. सी, we had done cross multiplication here. See, you can see here we had done cross multiplication. Yes, now what you have to do? We have to multiply this 5 into x. 5x is how much? 5x. Then 5 into 5 is how much? 25. Yes, we are putting this minus sign here. Okay, now next is 3 equals to 3 into x is 3x. Yes or no? Now 3 into 3 is how much? 9, and we are putting this minus sign here. Yes or no? Now take the x one side and number one side. This 5x, this 3x will come this side, it will become minus 5x minus 3x, and this minus x and this will go this side, it will become plus 25. Therefore 2x equals to how much? We are getting 2x equals to 16. Yes or no? It is minus plus. Sorry, here it is minus and plus, so we'll do minus here. 2x equals to 16. Therefore x equals to 16 upon 2, that is we got the value of x equals to 8. Now what we have to do? We have to put the values of x equals to 8 in this equations. After putting this value, you have to see that it's equals, is it equal or not. So after putting the value, we are getting the equal number, that is 1. So we can say that left hand side is equals to right hand side. The correct statement or the given linear equation is a correct equations. Okay, have you understood, student? Question number 5 6 all are very very easy. You can do it. Okay, students, we have to check. See, first you have to find out these equations. In the equations which is given, you have to find out the values of x, m is given, which is there. Then after that, what we have to do, we have to put the values which is given in the same question, and after that you have to just see that it is equals, both are equal or not, left hand side is equals to right hand side or not. If it is not equal, then what you have to do, you have to say that the correct statement is not a, so the given linear equations is not a correct statement, but almost here all are correct. Okay students, so question 7, 8, 9, 10 you can do it by your own. If you have any doubt in these equations or anything, you can ask me. Okay students, thank you.